Yesterday we were introduced the Newton method or Newton-Rapson method, and I have given one problem for your practice. Anyone? Concerning today's class, the next set of 5 students, you please unmute your mic and you please join with us till the end. Next set of 5 students. This is our 10th class, right? Yes, from 11 to 15, you please join with us. 55, 55, 59, 62, 71, and 74. You please unmute your mic and you join with us till then. Joshua, Xavier, Rigo. Joshua. Joshua, Kabilan. Jayan. Danush, Varadhan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dinesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you join with us till the end. Yes, this is what we were given yesterday for your practice. Anyone did? I think along with when your friend, I have solved the problem with 4-digit along with Arvind Bosch. We were solved the 2A. What happens for 2B, 2C, and 2D?
So for 2b, syntax error as -2 never be equal to 0.
Okay, okay. Any other findings with this B, question B? That is our f of f dash of x is equal to 0, right? See, this is what we were discussed with the derivations, right? The derivations are very essential, and through the derivations only we are learning a lot. And I think one particular fellow asked about the Taylor series. I think he has referred Newton-Rapson earlier. The Newton-Rapson method adopted Taylor's expansion for finding the equations. Very good. My appreciation. I think Pranav. I think so. My appreciations, and I'll tell you the coherence with the Taylor's expansion and how this Taylor's expansions applied in Newton-Rapson method. And in some particular case, this method sometimes this method is referred as method of tangents because the results are converged with the aid of tangents. So it is referred as method of tangents. So you please be aware during examinations they won't ask you to find the results with the aid of Newton-Rapson method. Even they may ask with the method of tangent. Apply the method of tangent for finding the result. Like that, may also you may get the questions during examinations. So what happens if the f dash of c? This is what the derivation, right? What happened? The change in the lower portion is 0. See, the lower portion is 0. What happened? This was the f dash of x is equal to 0. The f dash of x is equal to 0, and there won't be any feasibility for finding the tangent. That is what the issue with the question B. Right. I'll explain with the graphical representation. I'll try to explain. These slides you can. These slides are obtained through open source. You can find the similar content in the open source. Right. Right. This is what the answer for 2A. We were in the yesterday's at the end. We have solved this findings. And x1 is 87857143, and our x2 is equal to A39545, and the third, during the third and fourth approximation, we are getting the same results with 6-point decimal, that is A39287. That is what our results. So while continuing this exercise by applying the initial iteration value as 0, what happens? The iteration immediately fails because the lower terms are the lower terms become 0, right? Right. See, this is what the graphical representations. Anyone willing to exhibit, or anyone willing to draw this diagram by manually, or either with the aid of Excel? Anyone interested in our group? I'll give you some time to draw this diagram. Anyone interested to draw this diagram through manually, or either by using Excel? Anyone? Anyone? Right. If time permits, I'll show how these diagrams can be solved, can be drawn with the aid of Excel. I'll tell you. See, this is what the graphical representation, and at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, at that point, we are going to make it as, we are going to call as stationary point. Why it has to be called as stationary point? I'll tell you, because see, this is what the point, x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, where x is equal to, right, and in y-axis the x is equal to, right, at x is equal, at the point f dash of 0, x6 is equal to 0. Therefore we doesn't get any tangent, therefore that point is usually called as stationary point. So the tangent never meets the x-axis, right? So this type of peculiar curves usually called as the point which doesn't meet the uh, x-axis is usually called as stationary point. So this is what about answer for answering for question number 2C, and this is for your practice. What was the answer for question number 3?
Minus 1.619243.
Okay, you keep your decimal places into 4, and
so, minus 1.9982, sir.
Siddharthan. Okay, good. Okay. Minus 1.998176. Please. Is I think issue with have you again you exhibit your answer, Siddharthan? Siddharthan. Yes. What was the mode you kept?
Fixed mode.
What was the mode? Degree or radian or gradient?
So I didn't change that one, sir.
You okay? You give AC. Yes. What was the answer for cos 0? Cos 0 we know, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Give cos 0. Right. This is cos 0 is 1, right? What was the symbol? It is D or R in the top. D, either D or R. There is smaller dot, right? Degree or radian.
So no.
See, there is a small. Yes, I think here.
So it's D.
D, right? Right. Well, this
Yes, sir.
arrange is D. this arrangement in calculator help us to find the results when we are using pi, right? When we are applying the values like 1 or 2 or 3, at that time you should convert your mode into radians. At first you change your radian. The efforts for your efforts, it is my appreciation. Now you change your mode, Siddhartha.
So how to change?
Go press mode. Press mode. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Mode. One. Okay. Again. Wait. Wait. Yes. This is what degree, radian, gradient. Now select 2. Yes. Now give yes. Now give AC. Okay. This can be found with the instead of pi, we can use yes. By applying some other values, we can find results. Okay. 45 we cannot validate. We know the value of sin 90, right? Give sin 90. Sin 90. Sin 90 has to be 1 or what is sin 90? Whether this is right?
No, sir. This is radian.
Right. Yes. Now we are not. Yes. Now we are going to apply with radian. Now we are dealing with radians. Okay. You give yes. Now go back to the past content, that is x. You something you written, right? X minus. No, keep it as radian and.
So again, I want to do the process.
Yes. No. You keep as it was in radian and do the problem. Given problem number 3. Okay, you stop sharing your screen. I'll like. No. It was 6-digit accuracy. Fine. At some time, I'll request you to exhibit your screen. Thank you, Siddharthan.
Okay, sir.
Stop sharing your screen. Yes. Now see, this is what. Whether my slides are visible?
Yes, sir. It's very good.
Yes. This is what instead answer Siddharthan solved with the aid of x and y. Yes, that is also good. That is also we can do. And when x is equal to 2, importantly, you need to convert with radians. And this is what you during your second and third iteration you will get the similar answer 1.88624. And hope you solved this problem. And see, this what the other attention we need to have over Newton-Rapson. That is when the f dash is x is equal 0. That seems it is a stationary point, and even if the initial value is closer to the stationary point, even that time also the Newton-Rapson iteration method will fail. And with the aid of some graphical representation, it can be explained easier. See, this is what the graphical representation. This is what your given f of x, that is x cube minus 2x2 minus 5x minus 1. And obviously, this equation has 3 different results. But Newton-Rapson, we are based on the initial iterations. It will give returns any one of the answer. We are not trying to calculate all the 3. And concerning this particular problem, when we are selecting this as an, that is 2 minus 2 as an x naught, what happens? See, when we are trying to draw the tangent, it has to meet here. Where the sign changes in that particular zone, that might be the results. See, when we are trying to draw the tangent, it meets on the positive side of the x-axis. So it is not converging. Actually, it is answer is very divergent. so it won't be feasible to find the results. But in the case of taking x is equal to 2, it returns the results in this area. Here there won't be any issue. But taking this leads to divergent. So this is what explained here. When we are taking x naught is equal to -1, the iteration gives the x is equal to 1.576, but it has to be minus 0.187. So this may happen at some time. Okay, this is what problem number 4. You please make a note. The problem number 4, and problem number 4 and 5 is your for your practice. You please make note of this two problem. You please practice problem number 4 and 5. Anyway, I'll rush up with these answers. I'll solve the problem number 6 using Newton method. Find the root between 0 and 1 of x cube minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. Correct to 5 decimal places, and the find by Newton method the real positive root of x is equal to cos x. Correct to 3 decimal places. And now problem number 6, we will approach this problem 6 and find the root by Newton method. The real positive in the problem itself, they are concerned about real positive. So even in problem number 5 also it is stated that real positive. So here also it is real positive of x log base 10x is equal to 1, correct to 4 decimal places. Okay, we are going to solve this particular problem, and this is what problem number 4, and this is what the answer. And we will expect you to solve step by step during your examinations. This is what the step by step procedure. You need to find f of x and then f dash of x, f double dash of x. If f double dash of x is equal to 0, you please be aware. Here in the problem it's where they wanted to find the results between 0 to 1. So it would be better, it would be advised you to prefer the midpoint. So x not taken as 0.5 and continue the iteration and solve one by one during your examinations. For the calculation procedures are detailed for you to get the results immediately. But if the problem is with minimum marks, you can go ahead with that. If it is asked in for more marks, then you solve step by step, then only you will get more marks. Okay, here the x naught is equal to 0.5. First of all, apply this 0.5 with f of x, and similarly f dash of x, similarly f double dash of x, and then find x1, and then continue. Here I have I made a table, that is xn, f of xn, f dash of xn, xn, the results, xn plus 1. This is what first iteration, second, third, and fourth iteration, and the results here. The root is 0.73205. Even I have calculated the answers using calculator, and this is what the results. And see, you please someone you share your screen and try to find the results using calculator, like Siddharthan did. Someone who is the first fellow, that is 55. Joshua Xavier Brito. Joshua, you please. Why today's attendance is very minimal for me? Shushma and for me. What was the
some
last
people
hour?
with network issue, sir.
Yes, sir. Some members having network issues, sir. They are messaging me like I have network problem like that.
Okay. How many members messaged you?
Oh, one member, sir, Sai Ranga.
One for you. For me.
Sir, for me, Tarun and Sai Teja texted me, sir.
Okay. Okay. See. Okay. Ask them to get the content through YouTube. Okay, now page number 11. Joshua Xavier Brito. Joshua, whether Joshua joined? I think not yet. Right. Kabilan.
Sir.
Kabilan, you try to find the results using calculator, Kabilan, so that all 25 will benefit over finding results with the cubic
Sir,
equations.
I had informed you yesterday about that calculator will be getting this weekend, sir. I can do with Excel, sir.
No, okay, fine. Kabilan and then
So even Sanjay couldn't
Jayant.
attend, sir, because he's in hospital, it seems. Like he's not feeling well and he went to hospital, sir.
Okay, fine. Kabilan and Kirti Jayant. Kirti, no, Jayant, 62.
Calculator.
Jayant,
Sir, I have no calculator, sir.
you got. See, you are without calculator, how it is feasible to attend numerical methods?
No, sir.
Jayant.
My brother had took, sir, so he will come today, sir. He will give it to me today.
No, see, yesterday even I have asked some people without calculator you are attending, and even Kabilan, you didn't even it is not feasible to arrange temporary, yeah. You
Sir, I'll be
temporarily
getting
arrange.
next weekend, sir. From next week I'll
No,
be
till
having it, sir.
no, Kabilan. Already it is third week. We have completed third week. We are in the fourth week, right? This is what the 10th, 11th class.
I can
What
use
happened?
Excel, sir. From Excel I can use calculation, sir.
No, Kabilan. No, Kabilan. The
Yes.
Excel for your practice, I have disseminated Excel. You can use Excel. You can use MATLAB. You can use Star Office, and that is our expertise. But for doing calculations, it is suggested to do manually, right?
Yes, sir. The next
In
time you call
industry,
me, I'll
okay,
be
right.
having, sir.
You temporarily arrange calculator.
Sir, this 991 MS that is not available, sir.
No, not an issue, Kabilan. You arrange some other calculator. And the third fellow, 71.
Sir,
71.
hello.
Yes,
Sir,
you.
I ordered calculator, sir, but I will get it today evening, sir.
Today evening. See,
Yes, sir.
won't
Sir,
be
I
right.
have, I have temporary calculator, sir, but brother go to exam, sir. Gone to exam. For exam,
See,
I taken, sir.
see, you are adult. You are doing your graduation. That too, you are an NITM, and you have to come up with a solution, not with a problem.
So shall I do it, sir?
Yes, sir, Vignesh. Very good. Others, you please don't give any explanation. You please arrange for calculator.
So
You
shall
come
I
up with so. Yes, very good, Vignesh. Very good. I'll just a minute. You come up with the solution. Don't come up with the reasons. You're an NITN. You're an engineering graduate. You're doing your engineering. You come up with the solution. Don't with the problems. This is all very simple issue. Simple matters. We cannot spend much time for this. Yes, Vignesh. Go ahead, Vignesh.
So the questions.
Yes, x cube minus 6x plus 4. X cube minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Your a is equal to 1. Your b is equal to 0. B doesn't have any square term. And your c is equal to minus 6 and your d is equal to 4. And
Yes.
Show the results.
Yes, sir.
You are doing manually, Vignesh?
Sir, I'm putting the answer values.
Yes, yes. No need, no need. Vignesh,
Yes.
using the equations, right? Equations, you try to find the results using equations. Have you aware?
So I don't know how to do that, sir.
Yes,
Calculate.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. You take your calculator and this is what you get equation, right? You stop sharing your screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see, yes, and then click one.
So I have a
Click,
different model, sir.
no issues. You'll definitely have equation. You EQU. There are two possibilities. Unknown, if unknown, that is simultaneous linear equation, we need to depend this mode. Else you convert, you click the side button, then you'll get degree. This is what the place where we can get the results for quadratic and cubic equations. We
But
are
for me,
at
it's
present we are
completely
having.
different, sir. Can I
Pardon?
show you, sir? It's completely different for me, sir.
Okay, you doesn't have equation
So
EQU.
no, sir, it's showing like this.
Oh, it is okay. Change the mode. I'll tell you. Change the mode one by one, one by one. I'll I'll tell you. Okay, mode. You one by one. You type.
Yes. So which one, sir?
You exhibit your calculator
Oh, yes, sir.
and press your mode. Yes, press your mode.
So there's only a menu one, sir. There's no mode.
Okay, give the menu. Give the menu.
Menu, it's showing like this, sir.
Okay, calculate. Okay, again. Second time you press.
Yes, calculate complex base n matrix
Hmm.
vector statistics distribution spreadsheet table equation inequality and ratio, sir.
Equation. The equation. That
Yes,
is
sir.
what we need. Equation.
Yes, sir. It has a simul equation and polynomial, sir.
In that, repeat
Uh,
again.
sim
Repeat again.
simul equation and polynomial, sir.
Yes, simultaneous, the same option which is available in the conventional calculator. We are depending the polynomial. You give polynomial.
Yes, sir. So once again, it's a polynomial degree 3, sir.
Yes, degree 3. Yes. Now I am also giving 3, and then it's 6a.
Yes, sir.
It's 6a. Now give 1. Give equal to 1, and then give equal to, again it will
Yes.
ask b. This equation, the equation, in the calculator, how it was pre fed was ax cube bx square plus bx square plus
Yes,
cx plus d is equal to 0.
I've done that.
Yes. Fine. Give yes. Now give all the values. Our b is equal to 0, and our
Yes, I've done it. I've done that. 6 and 4.
c is minus 6
Yes, sir.
and 4. Yes. What was our x1?
So
So
doubt.
x1 is minus 2.732, sir.
73205. Yes. Very good.
Yes.
Very good. In some other calculator, you will get 2. No issues. 2. This is what the calculator results.
It's x2 is 2.
Is again give equal to. Again give equal to 2. Okay. Again give equal to.
Sir, 0.732050.
Very good, Vignesh. Very good. Thank you. Yes, someone asked some doubts. I think so. Yes, thank you, Vignesh.
Yes, thank
So
you.
D
You stop
is
sharing
plus
this.
4
Siddharthan, D is plus 4. Of course, plus 4. Plus 4.
Okay.
That is what I said. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. That is what the equation. Usually the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. C is on LHS. Along with all the x, c has to be. But in the case of simultaneous, that is different. Here, the c has to be adjoined with the x. So the c is equal to 4 plus 4 alone. Sorry, d is equal to plus 4. Fine, Siddharthan? Fine, your doubts cleared. You are getting the same results. Siddharthan? Oh, Anshu?
Yes, sir. Then I also get the same result.
Yes. Yes, go ahead, Siddharthan.
So it's asking A2. So I entered the values for A1, B1, C1, D1.
Yes, A2 is 0. 0, then give equal to minus 6. A2,
So
B2,
B is
no. No. You give mode. Yes, again. 1. Yes. There is a symbol, right side symbol. Click over this. This symbol. That is right side. Turn to right side. Yes. Now give 3. Yes. Now 1. Our A 1. C is our minus 6. Yes. D is 4.
So after this, you have to take equation, calculator or equal.
Equal to. Yes, that is calculating. Yes, this is what your x1. Again, continue with equal to. Yes, this is what your x2. Again. Yes, that's all.
Okay.
Yes, this is what your results. Very good, Siddharth. Thank you for steaming the screen. Stop sharing the screen. Yes. You solve step by step. You solve this problem 4 step by step. Anyway, I'll disseminate how these results can be used through calculator, and till quadratic equations we can cross verify whether our results are concurrent with the calculated results. This is not essential. Still, I have disseminated this information not to cross check the results. And this is what your problem number 5. Anyway, the problem number 5 is also for your practice. So here I have given one more information, that is I have started the f of 0, the x with 0. What happens? I am getting a minus value. When I am applying 1, I am getting a positive value. So when this is what the the root zone. That is the roots or lies between 0 and 1. So this is the way that we can find the where the roots lies, the at what zone we need to approach, at what was the initial condition for x naught, that we can find with these information. That is, f has to be f varies, f has to be calculated, and once there is a sign conversion, that is what our zone. So you solve this problem. You solve step by step. Okay, you apply 0.5 as an xn, and then find the results. Here they are concerned about 3 decimal places, so keep your decimal places as 3. and during your second and third iteration you will get the same value, that is 0.739. so now I am now my concern is this is what the problem number 6. I think hope you copy down the problem number 6, that is x log base 10x is equal to 0. They are asking us to find the results with 4 decimal places, and that too with real positive. Don't want to worry about the other results, and concern about the real positive results. And see, before that, what was log x? D by dx of log x? D by dx of log x. Someone, you please unmute your mic and tell me d by dx of log x.
1 by x.
Very good, very good. Okay, the integral of 1 by x 1 by x, integral of 1 by x dx.
Log x plus c.
Of course, log x plus c, right? Then you think about integral of log x dx, integral of log x dx.
Sorry,
Okay, that means
X log x.
x log x.
X log x minus 1.
Yes, but that won't be a formula. But you have very good. You remembered even after 2 years. You are still remembering the integral of log x. Yes, x log x minus x. By applying with the u dv formula, we can get the results for integral log x. See, these log, you are talking about log, right? What was the base? What was the base? If we are getting, you are saying various information, right? Integral of log x, sorry, d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. In the vice versa, in integral x dx is equal to log x plus c. Whether this log base has e or 10.
E, sir.
10. And so, okay, Siddharthan opinion is different. Okay, Siddharthan is saying, Anshu is saying answer is 10. Then any other different opinion? See, okay. Well, we will clear. First of all, I'll clear the things with the calculator. In calculator, you have two options. One is log, the other one is ln. What is mean by ln and what is mean by log in calculator?
In log means it's base 10, ln means it's base e.
That's right. You are right. Absolutely. In calculator, log means that denotes base 10. ln means that denotes base e. Very importantly, you read the formulas with a base of e, but that doesn't told that is ln. You studied as it was log, but it has base e. For base 10, we need to depend some other technique, right? The calculations, the formulas detailing for base e alone, not for base 10. But here in this particular case, they are given base 10. It won't be a very big issue. It won't be a very big matter to discuss, because we have uv d by dx of uv. With that, we can find what was the differentiation with log x, right? Okay, we'll solve this particular problem. So my concern is f of x. I am taking this as an f of x. X log base 10x minus 1. Where I am stacking f dash f, I am trying to find the result. That is, I am going to differentiate f dash of x into 1 by x. See, this won't be 1 by x. This is not the case. This is not 1 by x, because this base is 10. So here I have solved. Here log base 10x can be converted into log base 10e and log base e into x, right? For this, we have formula. That is 1 by x. That is d by dx of log base 10. can be divided with 2. That is, this is constant. This is constant. Therefore, don't worry about the constant. We know if it is 2 log x, what we do? 2 has to be kept as in outside. Log x 1 by x. Therefore, 2 by x will get. In the same way, log base 10e is a constant. So don't worry about the constant. In later stage, we'll find value for this particular log base 10e. Now keep as it was log base 10e, and for this differentiating d by dx of log base ex becomes 1 by x. So 1 by x log base 10e is the formula for differentiation of log base 10x. So here we have x, this is also x, so I need to depend with this uv. Therefore u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. In some schools you may study u v dash plus v u dash. That you keep x alone and then differentiate this log x, log base 10x, and then you keep log base 10x and then do the differentiation of x. So for doing differentiation with log base 10x, I'm having the differentiation here. My differentiation is 1 by x log base 10 e. See, if the f of x is equal to x log base 10x minus 1, my f dash of x is equal to x. I'm keeping x and I am doing differentiation with this. That is log base 10x. 1 by x into log base 10e plus I am keeping log base 10x and I am doing differentiation with the x. I am getting 1. This becomes 0. This minus 1 becomes 0. Therefore, don't worry about that minus 1. So I am cancelling the x. I am getting log base 10e plus here log base 10 into x. So you find the results of log. You now you give your log and e. You clear your modes. You clear all your modes. That is shift mode and give 3. You will get a reset of all the modes. And now apply log e. Someone tell me.
Sir, how to get the normal mode?
Yes, Arvind. Arvind.
How to get the normal mode, sir?
Yes, you exhibit your calculator. You exhibit your calculator, I tell you. Fast.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Click. No. I think you have given different background. I didn't get clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You do one thing. You give shift, and then mode.
Yes, sir.
See. You give shift and then mode. You'll get. This is what you'll options you'll get. That is MCL.
Yes,
and
sir.
then mode and all.
Yes, sir.
MCL mode and all. Give 3 and give equal to. That is reset. Reset all will come.
Yes,
and
sir.
give equal to. You'll get various life and AC. This is what the initial condition. Hey, someone is. Someone along with arrange. Someone asked some doubt. Siddharthan. Yes, Siddharthan. Shift. Yes, 3 give equal to. Very good. Yes. Now wait just a minute. No. Don't go with the other options. Just a minute. Yes. Now, Siddharthan, you click log, log, log. Don't go mode. No. Log. You give AC. Yes. Log. Give log. Yes. Give shift and then give ln. Give ln. Yes. Yes. One. You need to apply one. Yes. Give equal to. Yes. This is what log based in E. Yes. Yes. Stop sharing your screen. Stop sharing your screen. Yes. This is what your results, that is 4343. I am sticking with four decimal places. Already it is time is 10 25 6 26, so I am rushing. This is what the log based in E, and I am keeping as it was, that is log based in X. My concern is now I am interested to find the result zone where it lies, so I am applying f of 0. So my f of 0 becomes -1. When f of 1 is equal to, I am applying 1 log 1 minus 1, that becomes -1. And I am trying to find the results of f of 2, that is minus point. You try to solve, and you please cross check whether these results are concurrent with your results. Minus 0.3979, and my f of 3 is 0.4314. So the sign conversion occurs between 2 and 3, therefore results lies between 2 and 3. So I am taking my initial approximation with 2.5. So during my first approximation, my results is 2.56, I think 5062, and I am giving this as an input for my second iteration. And the second iteration results also the same which I got in the first iteration, that is 2.50662. So the root is 2.5062, that too with 4 decimal places. Fine. Any doubts with this problem? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts?
So can you show that screen? The problem.
Yes. Do you want to take the screenshot or take the photographs? Because I am sharing on a daily basis. I am not sharing the content, right? At the end only I am sharing. I think you may find the Unit 2 PPT in the Google Classroom as well in the MS Team. Once this particular unit, that is Unit 3, is over, at that time I'll upload this content. My concern whether you are copying down or not, I am little worrying, because even if you are not having your calculator, how I don't know how you are copying this content. I think I can get your notes at the earliest. Tomorrow I'll tell you, probably before Saturday noon, you upload your various content. That would be the partial assignment. What is our lesson plan? This is what our lesson plan, right? You please, others, you try to prepare these content. That is introduction, computer architecture. This for your assignment 1. During 14th and 15th week, no, during 8th week we will discuss these contents. And see, this is what your assignment 2. Weightage is 10, and during 15th week I have planned earlier, but since even you doesn't have your calculator, now I'm little worrying whether you are copying down or you are not. Simply you are attending the classes. I am little afraid and little worried, and so I am dividing this assignment into 2 different portions, that is 5 till the tomorrow's class. You take a photograph and make it a single PDF and upload in the I'll create one link in Google Classroom. You upload before Friday 12 o'clock, 12 p.m., 12 noon. Right?
Sir, notebook.
Notebook, of course, notebook.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Your notebook, your regular class notebook, numeric methods. Right? Any other matter? Since yesterday we spent some other, I have started class a little late. That is why in last two classes we doesn't discuss the current affairs or some other matters. So soon I think in the tomorrow class I think we will discuss the things. Do you have any doubts? Okay, hope you doesn't have any doubts. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow 12:30. Thank you, Nundal.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.